Hi there, go ahead and get your journal out and open up to a clean page. So I'll give you a moment to do that. All right, if you need more time, just pause the video. But like I said in our last video, we are going to be using our journals to keep track of our research that we do throughout the week. All right, so you're going to need 3 clean sheets of paper. 1, 2, 3. See, I have 3 clean sheets of paper. There's nothing on these sheets of paper, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'll give you some time to catch up, okay? But once you have 3 clean sheets of paper, if you're at school, your teacher is going to give you a paper clip. If you're at home, maybe you can see if your parents have a paper clip, but if you don't, then I'll show you what to do. So if you're at school, then you're going to get a paper clip to keep track of these pages, okay? Now, if you're at home and you don't have a paper clip, what you can do is this. Fold the page over and really press down so it stays. Okay, so whenever you close your journal, what you can do is, it just opens right up. Okay? All right, so either way, paper clip or fold your paper over. All right, so let's go ahead and write today's date. Today's date is 5-3-21. Go ahead and do that. All right, next thing we're going to do is this first page is going to be our table of contents. So remember when I told you about text features and I said table of contents is one of those text features. You can either say table of contents or contents. Either way, they mean the same thing. It helps you locate information. Just so we don't have to write so much, we're just going to write contents, because contents means the same thing as table of contents. So write contents. Okay. On the next one, you're going to do a little dot. You're going to write appearance. And I will go ahead and give you time here in a little bit to catch up. Appearance. P means page. We'll figure out the page in just a minute. Okay, go ahead and catch up. Appearance. All right, next one is diet. Again, write a P for page and dot. All right, next one is habitat. And once I'm done with all this, I will take a picture of this, and you can go ahead and copy it if you need more time. All right, next one is family. Our last one is facts. Some time to do that. Remember, I'm going to take a picture of this and put it on the next slide if you need more time. All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to number our pages. This table of contents page is page 1. The next page behind it, right behind it, is page 2. The next page behind it is page 3. Then page 4. Page 5. You should have 6 pages. See how it's still folded a little bit because this is still part of it, this page. Page 6. You should have 6 pages. Page 1 is table of contents. Page 2 will be appearance. Sorry. Page 3 will be diet. It's right there. Page 4 will be habitat. Page 5 will be family. And last page, page 6, will be the facts. And we'll write our titles when we come to them up here on top. So let's go ahead and now do our pages. So appearance is going to be page 2. Diet will be page 3. Habitat will be page 4. Family will be page 5. And facts will be page 6. I'll give you a little bit of time to write this. Remember, don't worry. I'm going to take a picture of this and put it on the next slide and give you more time if you need to copy this. And as for the page numbers, if you didn't get them, go ahead and try to catch up with those. And don't forget to mark your pages, whether you're folding them or you have a paper clip. So I'll give you some time to do this. All right, if you need more time, just pause the video or just go to the next slide where you'll see this picture and you can go ahead and finish copying. So at this point, you should have contents and then appearance, diet, habitat, family, facts with pages 2, pages 3, pages 4, pages 5, pages 6. Today's date. If you're at home, have it folded. If you're at school, you should have a paper clip. And then you have your pages numbered. Table of contents is page 1. After that, you should have page 2. Nothing's on it yet. Page 3. Page 4. Page 5. And then a page 6. Okay? All right. I hope you enjoyed today's little reading lesson.